Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix frozen screen problem in your Redmi smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So if your touch screen is not working and some of the application stuck when you just press on it, so how you can solve it. So let's start the video friends. So let's first open the settings. Here are the settings. Just you have to tap on here and click on the applications. Here it is manage applications. Click on search and here you have to write Google Play Services. First enable show all apps, then click on here Google Play Services. Click on this storage and clear cache this. Again press back, click on this search and again you have to write here Android settings, and here it is Android system. You have to clear cache. Again you have to update your software update to fix all these bugs and glitches. And if your storage is full, you have to release some of the applications like files, folders, photos and videos, so you have a space for it. And if you have installed any high task games in your smartphone that are not for it, you have to uninstall them to run this smoothly. And at last you have to just restart your device and your problem will be fixed. If it is not solving, you have to do a soft reset, and I have making this soft reset how you can do it in my channel. You can watch it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.